Namaste friends. Today in this video lesson we are discussing about rectification of errors. What is the procedure to rectify the errors, and some problems were worked out. So 3 problems and solutions are given in rectification of errors, and by this video lesson we are going to know about how to prepare suspense account from the rectification of errors. So before that I'm going to share the screen. Okay. This is about rectification of errors. You know very well, I am Naini Shamprasad of Tara Government Degree College, Sangareddy, and already in the first video lesson I explained about what is the meaning of errors, types of errors, what is the procedure to prepare, how to rectify the errors, and 3 problems are worked out. Now in this also 3 problems are given with solutions, and at the same time preparation of suspense account also one of the key feature of this video lesson. So let us start one problem. So Rahul located the following errors in his books, and you are required to write journal entries. So wages paid for installation of machinery 600 was posted to wages account. Whenever any fixed asset is purchased, all the expenses with reference to the first use of that asset to be debited to asset account. All the expenses with reference to that asset are debited to asset account. But here what happened, wages installation wages were debited to wages account. Actually all the expenses till to the data first use should be debited to machinery account. So that's why what is the wrong, machinery account is to be debited is the right. The actual effect is machinery account is to debited, but what they debited wages account. They wrote wages account debtor to cash account. That is wrong. What is right? Machinery account debtor to cash account. So cash account is created, okay. So wages account wrong debit is rectified by creating wages account, and machinery account 600 debited by rectifying it. So machinery account debtor to wages account. Machinery account debtor to wages account. This is the rectification entry. Next, repairs to machinery 400 debited to machinery account. This is another principal error. So what happens when an asset is purchased and till to the data first use, all the expenses related to that machine debited to machine account. That is first error. In the second, what happens after in the course of using that machine, it has got some repairs of rupees 400. That repairs does not increase the value of the asset machinery. Repairs only makes the machinery in the suitable condition to use it. That's why the repairs are to be debited to repairs account, not machinery account. So what is the wrong? Machinery account is debited. That machinery account debit will be rectified by creating the machinery account. Repairs account not debited, and repairs account is debited. So repairs account are to machinery account. Repairs account are to machinery account is the rectification entry. Furniture purchased 5,000 was posted to purchase account. So this is another fundamental point. Usually every student is going to do mistake like this. Whenever a fixed asset like furniture purchased, that fixed asset account is to be debited, not purchase account. Purchase account debited only when goods are purchased. This is the fundamental wrong done by the students. So furniture purchased, Furniture purchased 500 was posted to purchase account. This is wrong. So whenever fixed asset is purchased, whenever fixed asset is purchased, fixed asset account is debited. So purchase furniture account is debited. This is right. Furniture account is debited. This is right. But purchase account erroneously debited. This debit will be rectified by creating. So furniture account to purchase account. There is another error in rectification of error. Is only 500. So furniture purchased, so furniture account is debited. Furniture purchased, furniture account is debited. The wrong debit in purchase account is rectified by creating account. Furniture account is debited. Wrong debit in purchase account is rectified by creating it. Old machinery sold to Karim 2000 was recorded through sales book. Whenever machinery sold, machinery account is created, but they created sales account. They created sales account. They create. So the actual entry is Karim account to machinery account is the right entry. What they wrote, Karim account to sales account. Karim account. So Karim account, there is no error in Karim account. So unnecessarily sales account is created. This will be rectified by sales account by debiting. Machinery account not created. Machinery account is created. Sales account to machinery. Total sales returns book 1000 was posted, not posted to ledger. So sales returns book balance transferred to sales returns account. Sales returns account usually shows debit balance. When sales account credit balance, sales returns account is debit balance. So this 3000 not posted. We posted sales returns account to suspense account. Sales returns account to suspense account. This is the problem. 5 entries are written. So now this is the problem where we can prepare Anurag located the following errors. Prepare suspense account. Anurag located the following errors. Prepare suspense account. Sales return book overcast by 2000. Sales return book overcast by 2000. So sales return book overcast means sales return book already, sales return book total goes to sales returns account. Sales returns account shows debit balance. This is overcast by 2000. That means this is extra. So this extra is corrected only by creating this sales return account. So sales returns account is created by 2000 because there is over debit of 2000 is rectified by creating 2000. So sales returns account is corrected. The remaining balance transferred to suspense account. Suspense account to sales returns account. Purchase book was under cash by 600. Purchase book balance goes to purchase account. Purchase account shows debit balance, but 600 under cash means the less debit is there. So by debiting purchase account, we can rectify the error. Purchase account debited by 600 and the balance transferred to suspense account. Purchase account to suspense. In sales book, total page number 4 was carried forward to page number 5 as 1000 instead of 1200. So sales book total actually should be 1200, but it is only showed 1000. So the sales book total goes to sales account credit side. So it has to show 1200, it's showing only 1000. That means 200 less credit is there. Now we create a sales account. We create sales account of 200 credit and debit suspense account. Suspense account attached to sales. The wrong that is less credit 200 rectified by this entry. And at the same time, total page of 8 was carried forward to page number 9, 5600 instead of 5000. So actually it should be 5000, but 600 extra is there. You know very well sales account is great balance. This extra 600 rectified by debiting the sales account. Sales account is debited by 600 to suspense account 600. So these are the entries. From this entries, you have to prepare suspense account. First you see here suspense account is debited with 2000. So suspense account, this is the debit side of suspense account, debited with 2000, debited with 2000. Opposite is to sales returns account. Here suspense account is created with 600. So suspense account is created with 600. Opposite is by purchases, by purchases. Here suspense account is debited with 200. So suspense account is debited with 200. Opposite is sales to sales. And here suspense account is created with the 600. Here suspense account is created with 600. Opposite is sales by sales. So one 2 times debit is there. One 2000 debit, one 200 debit. So one 2000 debit, one 200 debit suspense account. Then suspense account credit is there. One 600 credit, one 600 credit. 2 times 600 credit is there. So debit is 2200. Credit is only 1200. So 2002, which is more, is to be added first. 2200 taken to other side, 2200 minus 1200, we got 1000. Balance carried down. This is balance brought down 1000. Trial balance of Kailash did not agree. Prepare suspense account. That means we have to know what is the suspense account balance, so that balance trial balance is going to. Goods withdrawn by Kailash for personal is 500, not recorded in the books. So drawings made by the owner was not written. What is the drawings? Goods withdrawn. So when goods withdrawn by the owner, the entry, you know very well. If you see my common errors made by the students video lesson, then you know when goods withdrawn by the owner personally, the entry is drawings account is debited, drawings account is debited, and as purchases are decreased, purchase account is created. Drawings account are to purchase account. Why drawings account is debited? Whenever owner gives capital account is created. Whenever owner takes goods account, that is drawings account is debited. So drawings account means the receiver, who is the receiver, owner account is debited, and the purchase are less going down, purchase account is created. This is the only one time where purchase account is created. Every time purchase account only debited. This is the one time when goods used by the owner or personal user, purchase account is created. Discount allowed to Ramesh 660 on receiving 2040 from him was not recorded. What is not recorded? Discount allowed, not recorded. Discount allowed is debit. Discount allowed is debit. So discount allowed is debited by 60, and the remaining balance transferred to suspense. Only discount allowed is wrong is there. So discount allowed means it is expenditure debit 60 and transfer to suspense. Discount received from Rohan 50 on paying 3050 to him was not posted. So discount received means this is income. Discount received income. This is the wrong created. So discount received has to be created. We created discount received and remaining balance transferred to suspense. 700 received from Khalil, a debtor whose account had earlier been written off as bad, were credited to his personal account. So what happened when Khalil paid 700? What is the entry they wrote? Cash account debtor to Khalil account they wrote. So cash account correct, but creating Khalil account is wrong. Whenever amount is recorded. So what happened? 700 received from Khalil. Received from Khalil, a debtor whose account had been earlier written off as bad or as credited to his account. Whenever bad debts recovered, the actual entry is cash account debtor to bad debts recovered account. But what they wrote, cash account debtor to Khalil account. So cash account debit is okay, but Khalil account they created. So this is rectified by Khalil debiting the Khalil account. So what should we have done? Bad debts recovered account is to be rated. So Khalil account debtor to bad debts recovered account 600. Cash received from Govil debtor 5,000 was posted to his account 500 only. Whenever cash received, we have to create a Govil account by 5,000, but we created only by 4,000, only 500 only. That means another 4,500 should be created to Govil account. So suspense account to Govil account 4,500. So less create in Govil account rectified by creating Govil account 4,500. Now I have to prepare suspense account. In the first entry, there is no suspense account. In the second entry, suspense account is created by 60. So suspense account created by 60. Opposite is the discount. In third entry, suspense account is debited by 50. So this suspense account is by 50. Opposite is discount received account. Discount received. In this entry, there is no. In suspense account it will be 4,500. So suspense account it will be 4,500 opposite to Govil. So in these 5 entries, in 2 entries there is no suspense account. Here first entry there is no suspense account. In fourth entry there is no suspense account. So here suspense account is created only one credit, that is 60 credit. 2 debits, one 4,500 debit, 150 debit. So 4,550. So 4,550 minus 60, the entry is 4,490. This is balance carried down. This is balance brought down. This is the preparation of suspense account. If 4,490 is debited in trial balance, no doubt the Kailas trial balance is going to agree. That's all for today. Thank you very much. So by this video lesson, what I'm actually this is very easy. Rectification of errors is very easy chapter, but you have to have very good knowledge in journal entries. For this, I am requesting everyone go through my video lessons. Video lesson FA3, FA4, FA5 for basic knowledge, and FA6, 7, 8 for advanced knowledge. If you go through these 6 video lessons, no doubt rectification errors will be very easy for you. That's all for today. Thank you very much.